Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of changing your cursor speed in Windows 10. Whether your cursor feels too slow or too fast, these quick steps will help you adjust it perfectly to your liking. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Devices. On the left sidebar, choose Mouse. Look for the cursor speed slider. Drag it left or right to decrease or increase the pointer speed. Once you find the speed that feels comfortable, simply close the settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to adjust your cursor speed in Windows 10 easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this video helped you. See you next time.